What if I told you Samay Raina's latent controversy was visible in his date of birth? The exact period of stress, mental pressure, and a lot of confusion. And even the phase where everything felt like it's falling apart. It was all destined in his date of birth and in his birth chart. Now, before you say all this is just coincidence or it's very easy to retrospect something, let me tell you this. We, as astrologists and numerologists, don't read charts of every famous person, every celebrity, and every person we know on a daily basis. We only read someone's chart when someone actually either comes to us or when we are decoding a particular situation. So, today, we are not only going to discuss and see what caused the entire latent controversy in Samay's chart, but we are also going to possibly predict his future. Let me tell you something. Most people fail not because of bad decision. They fail because of incorrect timing. And this video is going to be all about timing. Hi, I'm GSP and I'm an astronumerologist. And welcome to Decoding Destiny with Astronumerology. And today we are going to break down Samay Raina's latent controversy. We are going to talk about Samay's personality, his latent controversy, and most importantly, his future. And all of this is going to be purely on the basis of numerology. Since we don't have his accurate time of birth, some of the patterns that we discuss in this video, you will start noticing that in your life too. So let's get started. Samay's date of birth is 26th October 1997. And here it gets interesting. When we decode his date of birth, his basic number is number 8 and his destiny number is also number 8. Having double 8 in your chart is not normal. It's powerful but with pressure. So let's simplify this. 8 energy is the energy of the planet Saturn, which means a lot of hard work, delays, discipline, and then eventually reward. People with strong number 8 energy don't get success easily. They really have to struggle. But when they do end up succeeding, it lasts. It lasts really long. Now, before we dig deeper, I'm going to show his Vedic numerology grid on the screen. Number 1 and number 9 together without number 3 shows that he has a very bold personality. And you've seen this, right? Samay Raina does not hold back. He says things most people wouldn't dare think. But here's what people don't understand. That boldness is not random. It's coded in his date of birth, and you can see that with this combination on the screen. Number 2 and number 6 together showcase he's very creative, which explains his comedy, his timing, his expression, and his love for art and writing. And now this is where things start getting deeper. The combination of number 1, 7, and double 8 shows that he is going to be a very spiritual person. Now, I know a lot of you people may say that Samay is not spiritual. Spirituality is something that is very close to a person. You wouldn't really know how spiritual a person is until you know him at a deeper level. And I also want to say that spirituality does not always mean that you end up doing regular meditation or stay in silence. Yes, all those things help, but everyone takes spirituality in their own way. Everyone understands spirituality in their own way. So that phase may be coming into his life or may have actually just entered his life. Now let's talk about the real thing, the latent controversy. The whole latent controversy happened around Feb 9th, 2025. And now this is where things actually get very accurate. Samay's Vedic numerology grid shows that at that point of time, he was going through number 5's Mahadasha and also number 5's Antardasha. Now, before I start expanding into this, I do want to say that the numerology Mahadasha, Antardasha, and Prati Antardasha are very different as compared to astrology's Mahadasha, Antardasha, and Prati Antardasha. The calculations are different, the effects are different. So now let's get back to the video. So Samay was going through number 5's Mahadasha and also number 5's Antardasha. And number 5 energy means money. Money from multiple sources, opportunities, and expansion. So, on the surface, everything looks amazing, right? You can also see that during this Mahadasha, he was living his best life because it activated a couple of different other combinations. He was living comfortably, he was enjoying his life. But one thing we do need to consider that 5 was also in his Antardasha at that point of time, which meant Money will come, but there's gonna be a lot of mismanagement of money, and money will not stay with him. There are going to be opportunities where he will get money, but opportunities where money will also drain out of his pocket. You may have seen this happen in your life too, where everything looks normal, everything looks great from the outside, but internally things are broken. And now comes the real shift for Samay, his Prati Antardasha, double seven. This is where things start getting messy. Whenever there is double seven in your chart, you will end up overthinking. You will have sleepless nights. Your nervous system will break down, and there's going to be a lot of mental chaos. Imagine this: everything is going great, money is coming in, life looks good, and then all of a sudden, your confidence drops. You start overthinking and doubting yourself. And the worst part is you don't even know why. And this is what the double seven energy does. It keeps you in limbo. It does not give you the answer. It gives you stress that you can't control. It's not caused by you, it's caused by someone else, and you might be at the receiving end for no reason. Unfortunately, this energy also increases stress during travel. There's a lot of confusion. And this is exactly what Samay Raina was going through during the latent controversy phase. And unfortunately, that was not the end. Between March to May of 2025, things would go from bad to brutal. Because at that point of time, his Prati Antardasha was of number 8, which created a triple 8 combination in his chart. And triple 8 shows delays, emotional heaviness, isolation, and even thoughts. This is the phase where people start leaving you. You feel stuck, and you feel like nothing is moving forward, and nothing is going to take you out of this ditch. This is where most people break. But the shift was very close. From May of 2025 onwards, things would have improved for him. Not perfect, not amazing, just better. Better than the double seven energy, better than the triple eight energy. And sometimes better is enough before the sun starts shining on you again. Now, the real question is, why are we discussing this today? Could Samay have avoided the entire latent controversy? Possibly. But that's not the biggest benefit of numerology, in my opinion. The biggest benefit of numerology is clarity, is hope. Imagine that you are going through the worst phase of your life, but knowing that all this will end in just 30 days. You only have to be strong for the next 30 days and things will start improving. Because sometimes you don't just need solutions, you need hope. And you can get that guidance with numerology and astrology. Now let's look at some future predictions for Samay Raina. If we analyze Samay's numerology chart today, we can clearly see that his mental health still needs some attention. But here's the good news. As the year progresses, his confidence will rise even more. He's going to get bolder and also money will grow. But money management is key for Samay. Between July to October of 2026, we might see possible issues related to his language or how he's addressing women in particular. And unfortunately, he may also get some travel stress and health issues. I'm not saying that there is going to be another latent level controversy, but there might be some noise around it. So my advice for Samay, according to numerology, is going to be that in 2026, especially between July to October, he needs to be very careful how he's conducting himself, how he moves, and how he manages his energy. Now this is interesting. From his birthday, you will see a new version of Samay, even more expressive and even more bold externally. But internally, still overthinking and still double checking everything, which would create bold decisions, but with internal conflict. And honestly, that is what Samay is known for. So at the end of the day, numerology just doesn't predict problems, it also prepares you for them. And sometimes, knowing that a tough phase will end is the only thing that keeps you going. And that was the video. If you found this video insightful, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And also share this video with someone who needs clarity in life. And if you're interested in more astrology and numerology related content, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.